Hi, my name is Isaiah, and over the past 9 months, I've been rebuilding a steel sailboat with my two best friends, Wes and Kat. When I first got her, she was close to falling apart. She sailed well though, and she had really good bones, and that's about all I cared about. And when I got her home, we stripped her down to the bare bones, pulled out the tanks, chasing the rust with a grinder and sandblaster all over the boat, rebuilding my water and fuel tanks, and finally, after months and months of preparation, painting the boat.
I don't think she's ever coming back. Dear Father, I hope that this letter finds you well. It's your son Johnny out in BC, and the last couple months have been hell.
So why are we doing this? The Northwest Passage is truly one of the final frontiers in the world. Positioned above Canada, it's known for its icebergs, heavy weather, unpredictable wind, and wildlife. It's no wonder then that it has the reputation of one of the most dangerous passages in the world. Which is exactly why we will be crossing it in a 44-foot steel sailboat. Following in the wake of Franklin, Cook, and Amundsen, and taking you along for the ride.